Sanibonani guys, igama unqobile niphathela amazwela enimba ngomhla ka-20 April. Hake guys, ubaba kaLazarus uke wacindezelwa-ke nguLazarus kakhulu esembuza phela ukuthi waqhubeka yini ne-relationship nobuye emva kokuthi phela unina ayibulale. Hayi guys, umane nje waqinisa ubuso-ke ubaba kaLazarus wathi-ke hayi andizokwazi ukuyiphendula-ke eyo-ke mntanami. Wathi tatazi saphi ifonini ndifuna ubona ukuthi ii-messages zakho ezi-recent zinaye yini lo muntu wesifazane owakwazi ukuthi-ke anihlukanise nomama agcine senza umama athathe ubomi bakhe. Hhayi-ke guys, wanqaba wala waphethe ubaba kaLazarus wathi yena ngasoze nje adisrespectwa emzini wakhe kahle kahle yena usayinhloko yakuloya muzi angeke azaze ezwe ngengane ukuthi enzeni. So ifoni yakhe ngeke aze amnikeze yona uLazarus. Naye-ke guys Azande uke wangenelela washo ukuthi hayi cha ngeke phela usuyayibaxa-ke manje Lazarus, this is still your father. Wathi no, akazisaphi ifoni ndifuna nje ukubona i-conversations zakhe qha. Hayi-ke guys, wabona uLazarus ukuthi uyanqaba-ke uyise wagcina sekhetha ukuhamba-ke benoNongceba bephume kuloya muzi ngoba kuyabonakala ukuthi cha singathi leyo ukuthi kube khona let's bygones be bygones ayizuba khona anytime soon guys. Iy'londa zisasezintsha like iy'ngane ayifuna ukuxola kunalokho zifuna ukugubha for more information ukuthi kwenzekala ntoni kunina guys, nokuthi-ke emva kwalento eyenzakala ngabe wathembeka yini ubaba kaLazarus afterwards noma wajijulisa ukuthi umbhede wakhe usafudumele yena waqhubeka nobomi bakhe just like that. Akupheli-ke lapho. Ubaba kaLazarus ubonile ukuthi okay, he still needs like ukuthi iy'ngane zakhe zimxolele. Uthe okay, now kuzomele a-approach uNongceba cause she is a woman and she is more understanding than uLazarus. So uhambile-ke waya kuNongceba yedwa wathi mntanami bendithi asithethe kalokhu mina nawe engekho sigqibo. Mntanami ndiyakucela ndiyakuncenga bendicela undixolele kalokhu. Wamane wahleka uNongceba wathi tata andikuva uthini kum. Wathi bendicela bandla undiphe uxolo mntanami ngayo yonke into endiyenzileyo. Wathi uyazi we tata, umama wake wayengibalisela ibali ndisasemncinci, ibali leZimzim. Wayendixelela ukuthi iZimzim kuyisilwanyana othi mosibuka sikude le kungathi nje hhayi singumuntu njenganathi, kodwa mase sesila eduzane ubone ukuthi hayi cha, isilwanyana lesi. Lesi silwanyana lesi sasikwazi ukuthi-ke sikuthuthuzele, sincume nani, sinenze nive sengathi niyathandwa kalokho, kanti isona kanye futhi esizothi mase sesiseduzane sinincuncuthe sinitshe kalokhu. Uyazi wena tata ufana ncimishi naleso sinywana. Hayibo guys, wathi yabona wena tata andisoze mina ndakuxolela kahle kahle, wena tata uyandinyanyisa, ndiyanyanya mendikujonga. Hayi ubaba kaLazarus guys-ke sebemfanisa neZimzim uqobo lwaso. Washo wathi yabona nje kulento oyenzileyo mendikujonga ngibone iZimzim. Hayi guys, uqede-ke uNongceba wakhetha ukuhamba wamshiya kanjalo. Kubonakala ukuthi hayi cha, ugirl naye akazumxolela anytime soon. Uze watsho ukuba hhayi kusase-early kabi ukuthi wena ungacela uxolo apha kum. This is very new. Hayibo guys, baba kaLazarus-ke guys uzalelwe yinja endlini. Abantwana bakhe yonke lento ayeyicabanga ngabo esho ukuthi mengase belithole leli qiniso abasoze bamjonga ngendlela efanayo bazombona njengesilwanyana. He was right. That's exactly how they see him right now, as a monster. Guys, akupheli-ke lapho. Uke wahamba kubaba kaLazarus-ke Azande uyomchazisela ukuthi uyaqonda uba into oyenzileyo yokuba ukhuphe le mfihlo esiyenza udamage ongakanani na. Kodwa-ke Azande uthe hayi cha bandla anizuloke ningiblema futhi ngale nto mina. Wathi cha ukuthi wena uyinkwenkwe ngiyakubona, ungumfana ongaboni iy'mpamazamo zakho, ongakwazi nanokuvuma iy'mpazamo zakho. Wathi ngeke hayi sendiqala manje ukudikwa. Sonke isikhathi uma ningibona nithi ngiyinkwenkwe Singathi siqala ukuba ne-expiration date-ke futhi manje lento ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi ningibize ngenkwenkwe. It doesn't feel like painful anymore because it's just boring now. You always say it. Kanti-ke futhi akusi iphutha lami ukuthi mina naba ney'mfihlo. Mina into engingayisho nje ukuthi okay, imina owayikhipha-ke wrong, yabo yaphuma kambi, timing ayi-bad, but it's not my fault that you guys lied. You kept this a secret for all these years. Kahle kahle abantu abanephutha la yinina. Wabatshela nje kanje, wazande wangaloke egwegwesa or I feel ashamed of what he said. Because he feels like he just exposed something that was hidden by people who were not even supposed to hide this for all these years. Anyway, he actually did them a favor because sooner or later vele iqiniso linayo indlela yokuyiveza, guys. Anyway, akupheli-ke lapho. Ngale komabandla-ke kugcine kutholakala-ke ama-condoms etholakala-ke ekabetheni lika sisomncane uYanga, and uHlathi is fuming, guys. Hayi, umane nje wahamba obikela ubhuti wakhe ukuthi hey, loya mntana uyaphuma esandleni. Wathi uzama ukupholisa umlilo kubhuti wakhe ethi hayi mhlampe bebekufunda kwi-life orientation esikoleni. Wathi no, there's no way ukuthi ngaba khona ama-condoms in your wardrobe ngokuthi ubufunda esikoleni ngawo. Loya mntana too much. Unale nkwenkwe loku emlandela wezama ukupractice ngalama condoms. So now uhambile-ke guys uHlathi wayoqondisa ugwegwe-ke kuyena uYanga. Uthe uYanga mebuya esikoleni wabuya vele sekulate nge-hour lonke. Wathi uHlathi awukho ungixelele-ke sisi uphumaphi because omakhelwane bayasho ukuthi iy'ngane zabo kade yifikile endlini, wena where were you? Wazama ukuqamba amanga uYanga wathi ubekade stadisha. Wathi iphi ifoni? Kade sikufonela icinyiwe. Wathi hayi iphelelwe i-battery tata. Wathi oh okay. Wathi methi inhlapha phezu kwetafula. Oh my gosh. Nanka-ke guys lama condom awanikezwe uNtsaki. Washaya uvala ugel. Hayi uHlathi wacosha wambukisa wona wathi-ke thetha kaloku yintoni le. Guys, talk about uYanga esenkingeni. uHlathi is gonna sort her out. Yabona uma wakhe uThumeka is too soft, but uHlathi is a father who knows how to handle a child that is starting to yabo ukuphuma endleleni. uYanga uzoqonda njengothula umkhonto guys laphaya. And I really hope after the divorce uYanga uzohlala noHlathi because mehlala noThumeka, hey, things are gonna go way out of hand. Guys, akupheli-ke lapho. Le Khosela Tech. Hayi impela-ke they are so excited welcome-ke uPortia as a new senior manager. So uthathe isikhundla-ke sikamawethu because mawethu manje sisebenzela iZondo Technology. Ushilo-ke ukuthi-ke hayi cha mina kade nje nganginayo i-personal interest kuwena Zoleka, ngikubukela le ekudeni as a young woman who's ambitious. So ukusebenza la ekhampanini yakho ingenza ngijabule. Hayi baba sebaba proud-ke bonke bebona ukuthi hayi cha impela-ke iKhosela Tech iwinile laphaya ngokuthola uPortia. Kanti-ke bese celebrate-ke iKhosela Tech nangale eZondo Technologies they are celebrating umawethu guys ngokuthi-ke ubawinele-ke i-cyber phela le Capital Bank ngoba nabo bebenemeeting enkulu naloya mnumzane-ke oyiphethe. Kodwa-ke wathi he's gonna think about whether uyavuma yini ukusayina nabo noma cha. But today they got the good news ukuthi uyavuma ukusayina nabo. So which means izinto zihamba kahle both sides, le Khosela Tech nangalana-ke guys eZondo Technologies. So asithi-ke qhude maniki-ke after this sibe sesibhekana ne-competition ikubonakala ukuthi who is the best of the best. Guys, aphela lapho-ke amazwela namhlanje. Ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe and like and comment. Until next time, bye. Sanibonani guys, igama nginqobile niphathela amazwela enimba ngomhla ka-20 April. Hayi guys, ubaba kaLazarus uke wacindezelwa-ke nguLazarus kakhulu esembuza phela ukuthi waqhubeka yini ne-relationship nobuye emva kokuthi phela